Honestly, I thought it was too firm.
I was really hoping for a butt. I was really hoping for a butt. They call me the couch. Hold on a second. They call me the Couch Whisperer. I help real people find real couches. Today's real people are Doug and Aileen. Doug and Aileen just finished a major renovation on their home where they converted their garage into what they're calling an oasis, a place for them as parents of 2 young kids to get away, watch a movie, because this room is very multifunctional and they needed a couch that would follow suit. It's a laundry room, a TV watching situation, Eileen's office, it's a storage facility, and an exercise room. The couch needed to be very, very specific and they needed my help. Well, I think we found the perfect couch for them and I'm really excited to check it out. It's from a brand called Mario Capasa. It's modular, it's comfy, it's loungy, and I'm really excited to check it out. Hey!
Alex!
What's up?
How you doing, man?
Good to see you guys. Oh, so cool. This thing is amazing.
It's pretty nice.
Gotta get all the way back. You gotta get all the way back there.
It's a bed for me.
Yeah.
You could fit like 5 of you on this.
Oh, yeah.
So far, thumbs up, thumbs mid, where are we at with it?
I would say thumbs up. Yeah.
Double thumbs up
That's
for
4
me.
thumbs up.
That's right.
Let's talk about how we got. Now you guys call this place the Oasis.
I'd say my she shed.
She Shed.
Since the pandemic, work from home, and then still I'm going back to the office, but I still get to work from home. And I needed a space, I needed dedicated space, and so this used to be a garage. I got a desk, I got my Peloton, and then we thought it would be a great space for like when we have people over the summer for barbecues and kids to just hang out, and we needed a couch.
We had to find an awesome couch that followed suit. And so you guys reached out to me, I was thinking immediately like modular. Modular sofas like this are super, super popular right now for obvious reasons. Like people have a lot, I think it might actually have to do a lot with work from home and all this sort of, our lives have changed over the last 5 years.
I think this fit exactly. There's enough walking space between here and the fridge, or if you wanted to open it and grab a drink, very easy.
Let's talk about the actual feel. Like this is a pretty firm sofa. At the same time, this one is surprisingly comfortable.
I like a firm mattress. I love
You
the
like
firm
firm
couch.
mattress?
You could throw some pillows on it, which is what we've been able to do. If you want a little bit more comfort or whatnot, just throw a couple of pillows on it, which has worked out great for us.
The mixture of sort of like a harder-ish or more firm surface and something super pillowy is something I personally enjoy.
Honestly, I thought it was too firm, but I tell you what, I think we hang
I was
out
really
in
hoping
here.
for a butt. I was really hoping for a butt.
We do hang out on this couch more so than the other couch. I think because it's deep. He comes in here to watch sports all the time.
Yeah, football. This is my escape from the kids for some football.
Hey,
right?
we all need an escape room. I'm dad too. I know
Right?
this. Tell me about the unboxing experience.
It arrived in 2 boxes? Yeah, right?
Yep.
It was heavy but didn't feel heavy, like as if there was a couch in there. I waited for Doug to get home. I think I saw a meme where like a mattress came delivered and someone cut it open and just like hit them in the face.
Yeah.
And I was like, nope, I'm gonna wait for Doug. We were just very careful as we were cutting the plastic not to cut the actual couch, and then it made itself into a couch in a matter of 5 minutes.
Yeah, we probably had it set up in less than an hour.
Okay, so there's deep mode, then there is
Long mode.
Long mode. So it's basically this, like if we moved this around and if that was the back, then this would be the front. So I want to see that. And then what's the third mode?
I mean,
Dance party mode.
Definitely got to see this before I leave this room today. But first we gotta flip this thing up, right? Oh yeah. Okay, that was actually pretty easy to do.
Yeah.
This says Mario Capasa. It reminds me of Jay Peterman from Seinfeld. It's, like, it's a man I used to know named Mario Capasa.
I'm Jay Peterman.
But anyway, here we go.
Pretty easy.
Oh, cool.
That's it.
Nice. So long mode.
Go.
Wow. Seriously, guys, this is like a whole different deal.
It's a different couch.
We don't have to touch. This is really cool.
Social distancing on a couch.
This is like a really big couch. This is genuine.
He can actually lay down all the way, huh?
I probably could.
Can a 6'1" man lay down on a Mario Capasa sofa? Look at that. Some people like to have their feet on the floor. So This one is pretty fluffy. If you had a more supportive one, I could see how your feet would be on the ground. There's a lot you can do with this, I think is the point. In fact, there's one more thing that you can do with it, and that's called dance mode. Oh, well, let's do a mock. Hey, cheers to you guys.
Cheers. Yeah, cheers.
Thank you guys, appreciate it. Thanks for having me. Are you buying a new couch and want the inside scoop? Subscribe to our channel below so you don't miss any of the info that you need to know.